In the year 2043, the world was abuzz with excitement. The Mars 1 mission, a project that had been in the works for decades, was finally ready to launch. The mission was to send a crew of astronauts to Mars to establish a permanent human colony. This was not just a step for mankind, but a giant leap for humanity. The mission was a testament to the advancements in technology and the indomitable human spirit. The Mars 1 mission was a multinational effort, with astronauts from the United States, China, Russia, and the European Union. The crew was a mix of scientists, engineers, and doctors, all trained to survive and thrive in the harsh Martian environment. The mission was not without its risks, but the potential rewards were too great to ignore. The possibility of finding life on Mars, of unlocking the secrets of the universe, was too tantalizing to resist. The launch was a spectacle, watched by billions around the world. The rocket, a marvel of engineering, roared into the sky, leaving a trail of fire and smoke in its wake. The astronauts, strapped into their seats, felt the force of the launch pressing them down. But they were ready. They had trained for this moment for years. The journey to Mars took several months. The astronauts spent their time conducting experiments, maintaining the spacecraft, and preparing for their arrival on Mars. They also communicated with mission control and with the public, sharing their experiences and building anticipation for their arrival. Finally, after a journey of over 100 million miles, the spacecraft entered Mars orbit. The astronauts, now Martian pioneers, prepared for their descent to the surface. The landing was a tense moment, but the spacecraft touched down safely on the Martian surface. The astronauts had made it. They were the first humans to set foot on Mars. The first few days on Mars were spent setting up the habitat, a modular structure designed to protect the astronauts from the harsh Martian environment. The habitat was equipped with life support systems, research facilities, and living quarters. The astronauts also set up a greenhouse, using Martian soil and water ice from the polar caps to grow food. Once the habitat was set up, the astronauts began their exploration of Mars. They conducted geological surveys, studied the Martian atmosphere, and searched for signs of life. They also sent back stunning images of the Martian landscape, capturing the imagination of people back on Earth. One day, while exploring a region known as Jezero Crater, the astronauts made a startling discovery. They found evidence of microbial life in the Martian soil. The discovery was confirmed by multiple tests and analyses. The news was relayed back to Earth, causing a sensation. Life on Mars was no longer a possibility, but a reality. The discovery of life on Mars had profound implications. It suggested that life could exist in environments previously thought to be inhospitable. It also raised the possibility that life could exist elsewhere in the universe. The discovery sparked a renewed interest in space exploration, leading to more missions to Mars and other planets. The Mars 1 mission was a resounding success. The astronauts not only survived on Mars, but thrived. They conducted groundbreaking research, made incredible discoveries, and paved the way for future missions. The mission also brought humanity closer together, uniting people around the world in a shared sense of wonder and achievement. In the years that followed, more missions were sent to Mars, more habitats were set up, and the human presence on Mars grew. The dream of colonizing Mars was becoming a reality, but Mars was just the beginning. The success of the Mars 1 mission opened up the possibility of exploring other planets, of venturing further into the cosmos. In the year 2100, a century after the Mars 1 mission, humanity had established colonies on Mars, the Moon, and even on the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Space travel had become commonplace, with commercial flights to Mars and the Moon. The discovery of life on Mars had sparked a new era of space exploration, leading to the discovery of life on other planets and moons. The future of space exploration was bright. The universe was no longer a mystery, but a place to explore and discover. The question was no longer if we could explore the cosmos, but where we would go next. The possibilities were endless. The universe was our playground, and we were just getting started. In conclusion, the future of space exploration is full of exciting possibilities. We are on the cusp of a new era of discovery, one that could change our understanding of the universe and our place in it. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what we will discover? The only thing that is certain is that the journey will be an incredible one. Subscribe.